Mahalo for sticking with us. I'm Lena Girl. Davey D's got the day off, and this is my celebrity guest co-host, Devin Nakoba.
Hello, hello.
Are you ready, brother? You got your
I am ready. Let's go.
It's time for some shakas and shout-outs. Shakas and shout-outs to Maui Family Services hosting Maui County's first ever Parent Leadership Conference.
Saturday, November 8th, 2025 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. in Wailuku. The free community event aims to empower parents and caregivers as leaders in their children's early learning journey and within the broader early childhood system.
That's right. The conference will include interactive workshops, resource tables, and opportunities for parents to connect with other families and local organizations. Now, families from Maui, Molokai, and Lanai are all invited to participate. Travel accommodations for Molokai and Lanai families are actually available.
Now, space is limited and registration closes October 27th, 2025.
Yes. Shakas and shout-outs to YWCA Hawaii Island. It is bringing back the Walk a Mile in Her Shoes March.
Oh boy. Now, the entire community is invited to lace up or slip into the highest heels you got for the 16th annual event from 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Saturday, October 25, to take a literal stand against sexual violence.
Walk solo or rally your crew, friends, families, school groups, clubs, or co-workers and step up together. Prizes will be awarded for top fundraisers, most creative shoes, and more. And if you can't walk, it's okay. You can still donate or sponsor a participant.
It's all happening at YWCA Hawaii Island on Ululani Street in Hilo.
And we're going to hop over to another island.
All
Shakas
right.
and shout-outs to the Kauai Community College Cognition Learning Center, or COGS, presenting the second annual Exploring Fear interactive Halloween experience.
Ooh, that sounds spooky. At select dates and times from Friday, October 17th to Sunday, October 26th. Go get your spook on Kukui Grove Center, where you can immerse yourself in this haunted house walkthrough with spiders, mazes, and more.
And the best part, it's absolutely free. That's right. So for more information on all of these great events that are happening, the Maui Leadership Conference, Hawaii Island's Walk a Mile in Her Shoes, or Kauai's Exploring Fear, just go on over to kitv.com/links.